look at how it looks like. What the heck?
They're calling it thunder snow.
Thunder snow, huh? Holy cow. What is this? Crazy. Look at my face. Holy, yeah, really? It's like a cartoon.